Morning. Morning, guys. Good morning. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Wala mga jowa. Morning mga kaibigan, and welcome nga pala ulit sa daily upload number 5 natin ngayong Pasko mga sir. And for today's episode po natin, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ba ang ginagawa namin sa Kada Craft After Hours. Okay. Ano ba yung Kada Craft After Hours mga kaibigan? Ito po yung mga araw na tapos na po kami mag-record. Or sabihin na natin, kasi nagre-record lang kami mga 8 to 10 PM probably, or minsan inaabot ng hanggang 1 AM. Pero syempre dahil late na po kami nagigising, which is ako nagigising ako mga 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, or minsan pa nagigising ako 4 PM pag malas or medyo malas. Tapos pagkagising mag-a-upload ng video, syempre ine-edit ko yung daily vlog. Tapos magpaplano ng content dahil daily upload. Hindi ko alam kung daily upload na ba ako sa aking FB ngayon pag may napanood nyo to. So wala tayong oras pagkagising natin from 1 PM hanggang mga 7 PM. Tapos minsan may hahabol pa na vlog ng bandang 7 PM. Kaya sobrang ang dami namin ginagawa. Sobrang dami ko rin ginagawa. Kaya yun, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung ginagawa ko sa mga free time ko. Okay? Syempre, free time ko, it's either lalabas kami ni Hikaru. Dapat lalabas kami. Dapat magde-date kami ngayon kaso galing din siya sa work, medyo pagod siya. So ako, free time din ako ngayon. And actually, kagabi ko pa ginawa to. Okay, which is yung free time ko yesterday na mga bandang 9 PM. Nag-gym kami ni Trinil. Okay, papakita ko na lang sa inyo nangyari yesterday. Medyo late yung facing ng vlogs natin. Medyo magulo, pasensya na po. Pero ang importante, meron tayong pinapakitang bago araw-araw. Okay. Anyways, mga kaibigan, tara na, simulan na natin itong day vlog number 5 natin. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High five, watch 5. So yun guys, welcome sa Kada Craft After Hours. Sama ko si Trinil mga kaibigan. Okay, hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo ba kami or baka malobat yung camera ko. But yeah, ito yung ginagawa namin kapag di na kami nagre-record ng Kada Craft or wala kaming ginagawa after hours. Kung nakita nyo na isang araw, di ba, nag-vlog tayo na nag-gym tayo ng gabi. Well, ayan, si Neil kasama natin. Then siguro kailan tayo pupunta kay Leslie? Bye bye guys, balikan ko na lang kayo mamaya. Okay, namamatay-matay na yung battery na ito. Reset lang tayo tapos 5, 8,
8 balls my hunch, based on what I touch. Liaisons with great ones, play baseball with that drum. 8 balls my hunch, take y'all on that hunt. 8 ball my fake calls, my 8 balls my one. It appears to me like a hole in the sun. Make me move with reason or moving reasonably. Stand my ground and don't run. Make me dance around what I've done. Make my bank count my sum. Gave me extra scenery, ecstasy in me. Take control of my tongue. Sticks and stones in the garbage. Brody, we never be finished. Cops ask for my name, but I don't even speak English. It's just because of my pigment. It's because of the way that I walk. In and out back in the country, hungry since I've been back in New York. Turn a hater to a fan, abracadabra, alakazam. I made a promise, I made a plan, I cannot break it, I am the hand. I wrote this verse for a couple of bands. Pandemic, anthemic demands, anesthetic, athletic command. Magnetic, black comedic slang. 8 balls by hunch, based on what I love. Liaisons with great ones, play baseball with that drum. 8 balls my hunch, take y'all on that hunt. 8 ball my fake call, my 8 balls my one. It appeared to me like a hole in the sun. Make me move with reason or moving reasonably. Stand my ground and don't run. Make me dance around what I done. Make my bank count my son. Gave me extra scenery, ecstasy in me. Take control of my tongue. I've been around for a century, I've been around for it all. You was a lock in that cage with me, you don't know nothing about what I saw. Blood, sweat, tears all on my face. Roughneck kid up in the place. Open the page, focus the rage. Channel my energy, stow it away. 13, I was doing graffiti. You might have seen it, but you didn't see me. I disappear like Harry Houdini and reappear through the Kundalini. I make the beat that I'm going to work. I hit the street like I hit the earth. Support the team and go cop the merch. Champion.
Alam ko na yung video na nag-gym kami, pero naalala ko lang kasi dati guys, meron kasi kaming pustahan dati. The reason why I became a gym rat or naging addict ako sa gym, meron po akong pustahan kasama si Trinil, which is yung kasama ko ngayon sa Kada Craft, at si Jonila, kasama namin sa PR or kasama nila sa PR. Meron kaming pustahan na kung sino ang merong pinakamalaking transformation sa katawan ay magkakaroon ng 20,000 pesos. For 3 months yun. And ako, sineryoso ko ng todo yung for 3 months. Tapos after 3 months, bam! Nagkalimutan na mga kaibigan. Pero baka tingnan natin baka next year mangyari na, or I'm not sure kung anong mangyayari pa ba yun. Pero importante is naalagaan natin yung health natin at nakakapag-gym tayo parate. Okay? Kaya rin pala hindi ko ginagamit yung camera ko na merong ganitong mic kasi low bat, hindi ko pa na-charge yung dalawang battery. Dapat talaga yun yung ginagamit ko dito sa bahay, pero ang problema hindi ko na-charge, okay? Balik na tayo sa video.
Eight balls by hunch, based on what I love. Liaisons with great ones, play baseball with that drum. 8 balls my hunch, take y'all on that hunt. 8 ball my fate call, my 8 balls my one. It epitome like a hole in the sun. Make me move a reason on moving reasonably, stand my ground and don't run. Make me dance around what I done. Make my bank count, my son gave me extra scenery, ecstasy in me, take control of my tongue. I've been around for a century, I've been around for it all. You was a lock in that cage with me, you don't know nothing about what I saw. Blood, sweat, tears all on my face. Roughneck kid up in the place, open the page, focus the rage, channel my energy, stow it away. 13, I was doing graffiti. You might have seen it, but you didn't see me. I disappear like Harry Houdini and reappear through the Kundalini. I make the beat that I'm going to work. I hit the street like I hit the earth. Support the team and go cop the merch. Champion, go buy you a shirt. Baseball, not baseball, now turn it up. Hey, ball, my
So yun guys, tapos na kami mag-gym dito. Pabulong-bulong lang tayo kasi gabi na dito sa Anytime Fitness. So, stay natin. Boss, kumusta? Sarap. Tapos na kami guys mag-gym. Tapos siguro mag-dinner kami probably after neto. Tapos hindi ko alam kung ano pa mangyayari. Siguro magkikwentuhan kami doon sa kakainan namin. So expect na dito sa daily vlog natin maraming beses tayo mag-gym. Tapos expect nyo na kasama namin si Sly mag-gym. Bigyan pa natin sila ng spoiler sa kada crop na mag-aaway tayo. Sabi guys, Director din ng kada crop. Dalawa kaming director. Expect nyo na malulupit yung roleplay namin. Sabog. December to January. Kasi kailan kami guys. Okay, palit lang kami. Guys, almost 2 weeks na si Neil. Tapos sobrang masaya ako kasi I think bandang episode 10 na siya or 11 or 13. Di ko na lost track na rin ako kay Neil kasi may mga papasok kaming bagong members na nakagulat. Di ko na sasabihin yung mga bagong members na papasok kasi nawawalan ng essence of yun? Surprise. Kasi yung kay Play of L kasi parang di na kayo na surprise. Parang nung pumasok si El sa video ko, si El, sabi na nila yun. Ayoko. Di ko na sasabihin yung mga sunod. Marami pa kami members na papapasukin.
Daily Vlogs number 5.
Number 5. Kada crop after hours.
Sipag.
Let's go. Hanggang December 31 or January 1 kasi may utang kasi ako. Wala akong upload nung December 1 Abangan niyo yung mga roleplay namin. Bye boss. Uwi na kami guys. Ako malapit lang ako dito. Si Neil mga 10 minutes away. Ganun lang siya kalapit. Alright. Tapos namin mag-meeting. Kita-kits lang tayo sa bahay mamaya. Okay. Bye-bye. Ingat.
So yun guys, yun lang naman po ang nangyari for today's episode and abangan nyo, magja-gym si Neil, si Sly at ako at hindi ko alam kung kailan kami dadayo doon dahil medyo hectic po ang mga araw natin at alam nyo naman kapag December sobrang busy po natin and I hope na na-enjoy nyo po yung member reveal natin yesterday which is si Play of L, okay? Si Play of L po ang pinakabagong member natin sa Kadacraft at kung nagtatanong po ba kayo kung permanent member po ba siya, yan ang abangan nyo mga kaibigan. The reason din kung bakit kami nagpasok ng members is abangan nyo sa next vlog natin. Quote natin ngayong araw, health is wealth, time is gold while watching